Hi everyone, this is Sharvari Fatak and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we are going to see how to identify a person that you suspect is having a mental health condition. Now firstly, before coming to the main question of what symptoms are involved and what is a mental health condition, I'll tell you the reason why I made this video. This video was very well requested beforehand too, and also due to the reason of some recent events that have happened, I decided to make it because I think it is time that people are talking and coming front about the topic of mental health, and that's why this would be a good guideline for them to identify what they can do to help others and what are the symptoms involved whenever a person has a mental health condition. Now, what exactly is a mental health condition? Whenever the symptoms I will mention later in this video, the symptoms whenever they are present for a prolonged period of time, that is a long period of time, and also whenever these symptoms cause a lack of probably daily functioning is hindered because of the presence of these symptoms, is when you can say that a mental health condition is present. So, what are these symptoms present? Let's go through them one by one. But I must tell you that I have compiled about just 5 to 6 of these. But if you want to have more information or get to know more about all the symptoms involved, I'll be posting some links which can be useful to you if you want to read further on the same topic. So, coming back to the symptoms, the first symptom is feeling sad or depressed. So, people having a possible mental health condition tend to feel really sad and they cannot seem to come out of the sadness, and it forms a major part of their life. The second is the inability to excessively concentrate or lack of concentration. This lack of concentration affects their relationship, their work, school, college, and maybe like relationship in the family too. The third is withdrawal from friends and activities. So people having a mental health condition tend to not mix up in people a lot, and this is not because they're introverts or anything, but they just don't like it now. But earlier they used to like it. The same goes with activities. So this is a major concern and very commonly seen in mental health condition people. The fourth one would be a physiological consequence too. So people having a mental health condition tend to have insomnia too, which is lack of sleep, or hypersomnia, excessive sleeping. Similarly, binge eating or eating too less. Many a times people may have anxiety, panic attacks. So these are all supporting physiological consequences. And the last symptom would be excessive mood shifts. So we all have mood shifts, right? But people who have a mental health condition tend to have frequent and sudden mood shifts. They can go from sad to angry to happy all in a short period of time. This is also a matter of high concern. These were the following symptoms that are commonly seen in people having mental health conditions. I think it is high time that we all become educated and vigilant about the same topic. Just showing your support sometimes can do wonders for a person. And many times people don't like to talk about their problems, but if you just show your visibility, show your support, tell that person that don't worry, I'm here for you whenever you want to talk, just talk to me, it's okay. So just hearing that can really make a person's day, I believe. On the same note, I would say that my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram is an open forum. Whenever anyone has a concern or feels like talking, do direct message me and I'll make it a point to answer. Even though I'm a bit late, I apologize in advance for that. I promise that your concern won't go unanswered. I'll help you out to the best I can. So by this, I end this video and I will be back with a new video, and my new posting schedule is Friday to Friday, so stay tuned for a new video every Friday. And I will also be posting some helpline numbers and also useful links related to the same issue down in the description below. Also, I will be posting the link of my Instagram page at Magical Tomorrow, on which you will find content related to psychology, well-being, mental health. These are the topics I tend to talk about. So everybody, it's time to really get educated about mental health as an issue. Don't just post about it for 1 to 2 days and then forget. I think it should be a 24/7 approach in today's time and age. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video on Friday, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel as usual. Also follow my page at Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. Thank you, and I will see you soon.